Well, hey everyone, I'm Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, do you like buildings, big cities, construction, real estate? But a career in architecture might seem like too much drawing. Civil engineering could seem like too much science. Cost estimating is too much math. Carpentry might be too much of manual labor. Well, I have a very special career for you today, and it is construction management. Construction management is ideal for someone who has a general interest in building and design. Working as a construction manager affords a chance to learn a construction project from a soup of nuts, from the planning stage with the architects and engineers, to the budgeting stage with cost estimators, to the production stage with laborers. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects 11.5% employment growth for construction managers between 2020 and 2030, which is amazing. But before I go in depth of this career, I know it could be really confusing on selecting the right career for yourself, and a lot of people they struggle with it. But you don't have to. I have created a super powerful workbook for you based on my very special 4D career development model that can literally save you a ton of hours and most importantly will save you from a lot of stress. It's one guide you must have for your career development, and you can download this guide for free by clicking on the link in the description box. Well, now for the video. If you're looking for a career with plenty of opportunities for growth, construction management could be a perfect career for you. Let's roll this video. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. The world is developing globally at a very fast pace. Cities are going through changes and are constructed every day. Walking down the same road for a few years will result in a completely different facade for you to see. And all this is done by construction giants all around the world. To handle projects like this, there are specific kinds of roles that demand management of these projects, and hence construction management. It is a career that utilizes unique project management methods to manage the planning, design, and development of a project from its start to its end. The purpose of construction management is to control a project's time, cost, and quality. Construction managers work closely with engineers, project planners or designers, architects, in order for the project to get done right away. In 2022 and beyond, construction management is one of the best career options for civil engineers and architects. The place of work is called construction industry, composed of 5 sectors. They are residential, commercial, heavy civil, industrial, and environmental. Construction management is also called construction project management in some cases. Construction management career is here to stay. Let's understand more about this career with the future scope, salary offer, top companies hiring for construction managers. Let's understand why this is an important field. Well, construction managers are needed to manage bigger projects around the construction scene. That is because the scale of the construction and the amount of construction going on is a lot. Even in a small project, construction managers are required. It is not possible to complete a project without effective management and rules in place. And because these projects are long-term projects, so a core team in charge to oversee everything can be a cherry on the top. With all of this talk about how much we rely on our environment, it makes sense that construction would be an important field, especially from the environmental perspective. Construction managers can learn what's new in environmental technology and incorporate cutting-edge practice into their work for a more substantial growth. Let's discuss future scope and why it is an important field in years to come. According to US Bureau of Labor Statistics, construction management career is expected to grow much faster than the average, which is by 2030, which many jobs paying well above the median salary. For those already in the profession, there is a lot of opportunities for growth and high earnings as well. Some of the major roles that you can get after construction management qualification, or even if you're an architect or civil engineer interested in construction management, these are site engineers, construction manager, facilities managers, sustainability consultant, CAD technician, amongst others. Companies that offer jobs in these roles are AT&T, Aerotech, Amazon, Walmart, Tesla, EY, Siemens, MR, and many more. And I'm sure you must have heard these names. And even all the top of construction companies offer these things. When you talk about the average salary, and this is about 40,000 to 80,000 US dollars annually, and the experienced one can get anything up to 100,000 to $200,000 annually, which is excellent for almost everyone. Now, generally, it has a very decent salary in any area, in any place, and in country that you live in. Now that we know there's a huge growth in this sector, let's explore skills required and job responsibilities in an ideal workday in this profession. As far as skills are concerned, let's understand them from day-to-day roles and responsibilities of a construction manager. Some of the day-to-day functions in this career are as follows. First is project management planning. Defining project objectives and plans, including describing the scope, budgeting, scheduling, setting performance requirements, and selecting project participation is very important. Next comes cost management. Understanding the cost of the project is a necessary part of managing construction. Understanding one's budget can help build the payment table. Project managers use the funding to determine the total cost and return expected from a particular project, which is really important. Next is time management. The ability to use time wisely and efficiently is an important skill needed for someone in construction management and is the reason that it is considered one of the critical functions of construction management. Next is quality management. Construction management will need to analyze their work practices to see if they're up to the mark, determine if the material used is of standard quality, and ensure that the finished product is protected from any potential harm or damage that may come with it. Without quality management, it is harder to win bids from others. So it is an important skill. The next skill is contract administrator. That's important. The management team completes the project to contract and can ensure this by using the original contract documents and analyzing and observing the overall progress of the construction project. Next is safety management. To safely start a project, a manager must first plan and determine all the potential safety hazard for each job. By implementing safety protocols such as personal protective equipment and zoning, managers can prevent injury to both workers and standbys. So you must work on project management skills, cost management, time management, quality control, safety management skills for sure. And all these top developers and construction sites, they offer this job. Other basic skills can include environmental awareness, leadership skills, motivation towards team building, ability to perform under pressure, research skills, and others. Well, now let's go to the most curious section on how to pursue this career with complete step-by-step roadmap for school students, college students, and professionals who wish to switch or enhance skills for better roles. Although there are various ways to enter this occupation, it is becoming increasingly important for construction managers to have a bachelor's degree in civil engineering, construction science, construction management, architecture, or engineering. As construction processes become more complex, employers place greater importance on specialized education. Various colleges and universities offer accredited bachelor's degree programs in construction science, building science, or construction engineering. These programs include project control and management courses, design, construction methods and materials, cost estimation, building codes and standards, and construction contract administrators. Courses in mathematics and statistics are also relevant. So if you're a high school student, you must look for a degree in civil engineering, construction science, construction management, architecture, or engineering. Along with this, you can explore the field with a couple of month-long introductory courses on online platforms like Coursera, edX, and all. And I have attached some links for you. Even a lot of universities have launched specific courses in construction management that can be worth a shot before setting up for them. If you're already pursuing your undergraduate degree in the related field of engineering or business with knowledge in real estate, you can absolutely take up a master's degree in construction management or similar programs. This will help you become an expert in this field. If you are starting new and have no knowledge of this field, but you have interest in construction or architecture or real estate, then take up online courses on online platforms to build your knowledge and then move to master's degree. Construction management, as I said before, is a specialized degree. So it is mostly offered as a master's degree and in some cases as a specialization for undergraduate students. Now, it is primarily about managing the perfect balance between business and civil engineering and development. Given that it is one of the most popular fields at this time, a lot of universities are offering a lot of programs that can educate you to be in this field. Some such universities that have world-class programs are MIT, of course, Massachusetts Institute of Technology in the US, University of Cambridge in the UK, Delft University of Technology in the Netherlands, the Hong Kong Polytechnic University in Hong Kong, University of Sydney in Australia. So all these universities are excellent. And there are much more universities than this. Also, look out for an internship in construction or real estate industry if you're in college. This will really help you understand the field better and will give you confidence to take up this field as your career path. Now for professionals. Construction managers work closely with numerous teams, including engineers, contractors, architects, researchers, product developers to make sure that the project goes as planned. The construction managers can be in-house position or can be hired as consultant. So if you want to switch into this field in the middle of your career, then knowledge and interest should come first. If you come from a similar field like architects, you have the skill set and it'll be very similar given few needed upgrades. But if you don't have any prior experience in this field with any of this department, I would recommend those to advance their skills with shorter duration courses, specialized courses before making that switch. Again, as I advise, start small. Try to take small courses to learn more about this field along with the possibility of master's degree, and then learn and apply the knowledge. There are many online one-year specializations degree also available like University of Michigan, Drexel, Jefferson that you can do while you are still working in your current role. Once you have enough confidence in the subject and command on the required skill, start applying for roles in the construction industry. Lastly, I want to tell you, no matter what stage you are at, whether you are a college student or a working professional or even a high school student, or maybe a parent watching this video, no matter if this is the first time you're learning about construction management or you're already working to build your skill in this career, whether you're 100% sure or you are indecisive, it is absolutely okay. Yes, it's okay. There are no rights or wrongs in career selection. It's about learning, experimenting, and becoming better. If you are indecisive, that is absolutely okay too. If you need individual advice, reach out to us and we will make sure to help you find the right career for yourself or for your child. No matter what stage you are at, we are here to help you and mentor you. I'm sure you will find your way to build your extraordinary life with us. In the end, if you're a creative person, have interest in construction management, or love building a new architecture industry, then success as a construction manager should come easily for you. And this could be the right career for you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon if not already done so. I will see you shortly with another amazing video on career, college admission, and living extraordinary. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.